Hi, I'm Kate from the Studio of English, and in this lesson we're focusing on the phrasal verb hold back. Do you have any idea what it means? Well, let's look at an example sentence together. So we can say Mary held back from expressing her opinion about the new company regulations as she knew it would cause controversy. So if you hold back, do you A, hesitate from speaking or taking action, or B, express very strong opinions about a subject, or C, speak a lot about something? Yes, it is in fact A. Well done. It essentially means to stop yourself from expressing exactly how you really feel. And it's one that you will hear being used quite a lot in everyday conversations in English. So that's it for this short phrasal verb lesson. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.